ready to turn your steps into actual crypto profits. First, open your Sweatcoin app and tap on the Sweat wallet icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where all your Sweat tokens live. Now, look for the transfer button. It usually has an arrow pointing upwards. Tap on it to initiate the withdrawal process. You'll see two options, send and receive. Since we're withdrawing Sweat, select send. Now, head over to your Kucoin app. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account and complete the necessary verification steps. Once you're in Kucoin, navigate to the deposit section, search for Sweat. Make sure you select the Sweat token on the near network. Kucoin will then provide you with a deposit address. It's critical to copy this address accurately. Some exchanges may require a memo or tag as well, so make sure you copy that too if it's provided. Go back to the Sweatcoin app, paste the Kucoin deposit address you just copied into the recipient address field. Double check the address to ensure it's correct. Enter the amount of Sweat you wish to withdraw to Kucoin. Keep in mind there might be a small transaction fee, so you may not receive the exact amount you sent. Review all the details one last time on the confirmation screen, and then tap confirm. Now, be patient. It can take a few minutes to a few hours for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain and for the Sweat to appear in your Kucoin account. You can check the status of your deposit in your Kucoin transaction history. Once your Sweat arrives in Kucoin, you can trade it for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or even convert it to fiat currency like USD or UR. Congratulations, you've successfully withdrawn Sweat from Sweatcoin to Kucoin. Now you can start trading and maximize your crypto earnings.